YouTube! What's up? Woo! It has been a little bit of a moment since I've had the chance to turn on this camera and get situated to talk to you guys. So I figured today is the best time, you know. So we're gonna do a quick chit chat and get ready with me. If y'all hear that noise, I always have to do the disclaimer. I am downstairs and my makeup room is right next to the furnace AC unit. So if y'all hear that, that is what it is. So I'm gonna get started with the Milk Hydro Grip primer. This is definitely my favorite primer. Oh my god, I love it. Don't talk about my nails either, you guys, because I will be redoing my nails shortly. If you guys have not seen my last video upload, which was how I do my dip powder nails, you need to go watch that, because I'm going to be doing my nails again today. It's been about 2 weeks, so it's time to get these babies together. So I wanted to do this quick like chit chat just to say what's up, get back up in here and say hi to you guys. We'll see what's been going on. So I really don't have much to do because it's a quarantine, but I do need to run a couple errands. I need to run to FedEx and I need to go to like Target and Walmart and pay, probably Whole Foods, because I want to make some crab cakes today and I want to go pick up some crab meat. So I'm gonna jump into doing my makeup. I'm basically out of this. This is the NARS All Day Luminous Foundation. This is my favorite. I don't even think I got anything in here to pump, y'all. Yeah, that's empty. All of my NARS are just like almost empty. This is the Natural Radiant foundation. This isn't even a foundation brush. Take a minute. This isn't even a foundation brush. But anyway, I want to do this chit chat, get ready, see how you guys are doing. Just, you know, we all doing our check-ins. I'm more concerned about people's mental health right now in terms of how everyone is doing, how they're handling this, because for me, you know, it hasn't been easy. Oh my god, you guys, it has not. This is not the brush. It's not the brush. Thank you, Morphe. Okay. It has not been easy working from home and being a mom. I will say I'm blessed because my mom does not have to go to work right now during all of this. So she has been watching my son a couple days a week while I am working, which is so helpful because I honestly have on any given day at minimum 2 Zoom conference calls, but I've had upwards to 5 or 6 a day. So quick background, I left my job where I was at for 5 years and started a new job on March 2nd. March 16th we went into, you know, basically shelter in place, basically like that. So imagine being in a new position, new role. I'm a director now and I have a whole team, I have a whole staff, and I'm only there for 2 weeks and boom. So I'm still trying to learn my job, learn the fundamental, like just learn the fundamentals of my job and manage my staff, meet my metrics. So it's been quite stressful for me, and you would think that working from home would be easy. No, the workload has increased. I don't do a regular day anymore, even if I'm like down in the basement. Like I've relocated like my little office space to out there because I have my old desk. Even if I'm, you know, working 9 to 5 or whatever the case, I wind up getting back on the computer at like freaking 10 o'clock when my son is asleep. For concealer, I'm going in with my Amande from NARS, and this is kind of really close to me, but I do like a double because I'm trying to get these bags to clear up, you guys. These dark circles, I'm not gonna let y'all just do me like that. While I'm letting that dry down, I will say that my kitchen beautician skills are at an all-time high right now. So if you guys are subscribers to my channel, you follow me, you know that I crochet my own hair. I do my own quick weaves when necessary. Like, I love going to get my hair done, but when time doesn't permit or if money ain't permitting, I will pop a wig on my head, I will crochet my hair, I'll do a quick weave. But the thing is, I don't know how to French braid. Well, quarantine has taught me that when you need something bad enough, you need to know how to do it, you will turn to trusty old YouTube. So I French braided my own hair And it actually kind of neat. I French braided my own hair, did my quick weave myself, so I'm really proud of myself. Like, not saying that I want to continue that, but at least I know that if I have to in a heartbeat, I can do that to myself. And I've never even attempted to French braid my own hair, so I was really proud with myself. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend that in. Normally I would definitely let this sit a little longer, but what's the point? What's the point? So how are you guys doing out there? And especially you moms or you dads, but you parents, like, how are y'all coping with this whole stay at home, shelter in place? Those of you who are working from home, those of you who still have to go out and be on the front lines, our essential workers, I love you, I thank you. How are you guys holding up with this? Like, I'm not gonna lie, I had 2 anxiety attacks. Like, I am not, you know, ashamed to say that I deal with anxiety. I have dealt with anxiety, oh my god, close to like 20 years. And I had 2 really bad anxiety attacks earlier this week. I'm going in with my what is this, Maybelline, yeah, Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in Cafe 30. I had 2 really bad panic attacks earlier, one last week and one this week, just because it's hard being a stay-at-home parent. It's hard being a working parent. It's hard being a single parent. It's hard being a parent. But when everything kind of like falls on you in terms of, you know, you're dealing with stress at work, and then you're dealing with, you know, motherhood, it becomes a lot, you know, it does. And I had a couple moments where I was like, what the hell? And I literally just had to pack my baby up, and we had to go, you know, just take a drive down Lakeshore Drive, honey, which is so beautiful and so serene because there's nobody out, you know, it's nobody out. But we making it. So I put the concealer on. This is the ColourPop Deep Dark 56. I'm just going to use the beauty end of my beauty blender to blend that in. I'm going in with the Juvia's, I always call it Juvia's Palette. Juvia's Place. This is the Gobi I Am Magic Setting Powder. I wanted to get the other one when I was at Ulta about 2 months ago, but they didn't have it. So I got this one, and I actually do like it because, one, it's not going to give you the yellowest or like super highlight. So at least for my complexion, it's not going to give you that super like the Sacha Buttercup. But for me, it gives me a nice natural look, and I love that. So I am going to do some eyeshadow. I really wasn't going to do any eyeshadow, but I guess I will. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to go in with Burnt Orange, which is like the light brown or like beige taupe. I'm going to go ahead and place that all on the lid. I don't even know if this brush was clean when I picked it up, Lord. So I'm going in again with the Burnt Orange, and I'm just putting that on the lid and then just blending that up into the crease, baby. Like so. Like so. I need to clean my brushes because I don't even want to show y'all what these bad boys look like. We just need one clean one. Alright. This is clean. This is the Morphe M506 brush. It's like a real small taper blending brush. And I'm going to go in with, Jesus, I'm going to go in with probably Sienna and a little bit of Rustic. Because Sienna is like a brownish red. Almost like Saddle from MAC. And I'm just going to kind of take it over here. Right into the crease. Because it's going to cause just a little bit of, you know, dimension. So I'm actually going to go in with the Rustic. Because I don't want it too reddish. See? I went in first with burnt orange, and then I went in with orange soda on top of that. Because I want to be a little extra, I'm going to take Cypress Umber, which is really like the dark. Woo! Well, yeah, just a tap of that. Just a tap of that. I wasn't even planning on doing all of this, y'all. So, I'm just going to go ahead and put that in the crease some more. Again, just adding the definition. And then I'm going to take this brush that I used, the burnt orange and the sienna. Nothing on it. I'm not putting any more product. I'm just going to kind of blend out the corner of that darker brown. That's it. That's it. That's all. Now for eyeliner, I'm not even going to do eyeliner. Lord, I hope I have some of this lash glue. So I've been doing this trick that It's My Ray Ray has been talking about for years. And I've done it a couple times, and I just wanted to try it right now. I've done it a few times when I've worn lashes, but essentially, you know, my eyes water so much, okay, when I'm doing lashes. So the trick is to just take your eyelash glue and apply it on your eyelid as if it was your liquid liner or your eyeliner, and then just boom, pop your lash. Right, so I just did a really thin line. You don't have to let them dry or anything like that. They're pretty good. These lashes that I'm putting on, don't ask me what they are. I just know I got them off of AliExpress. So I'm gonna go ahead and boom, pop that lash on, y'all. Alrighty, so I'm going to, what am I going to do now, guys? Just dust that little bit of powder off. And see, like I said, I like this because it's not like super stark. What I have been going for lately is the Laura Mercier medium deep translucent powder. I've been using that over my MAC powders. Because, again, I haven't really been doing makeup. I don't care to have a lot of coverage. I'm trying to use this quarantine to kind of do skin. Focus on my skin, you know. So, if you guys don't have the medium deep translucent powder and you are a woman of color, then you need to get it. I have her original translucent, but this was definitely something that had to be added. Had to be added. So I'm going in with the Anastasia contour, and I don't want this one because it's too warm. So I'm going to go a little bit with the darker one and just lightly do it. I mean, I'm going to Walmart, Target, you know, we ain't got to do too much, but damn, I'm doing something. Shit, my husband might be in there buying some string beans, some corn, you know. If you guys have made it to this point in the video, please go ahead and do your girl a favor and hit the subscribe button. Like, I see a lot of the people who watch my videos are not subscribers. So if y'all made it right here, we family, yo. My name is Tiffany. What's yours? I'll wait. Okay, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But I want to do a video, and I don't know. I'm so in between whether or not I'm going to do this video or not. But I really want to talk about dating during the coronavirus. Dating during the COVID-19 pandemic. Like, you people who are booed up, more power to you. But us single people, this shit, for some of us, it's hard. For some of us, hey, it is what it is. For me, it is what it is. I don't care. Like, am I dating? Yes. But it's really hard during quarantine. It's really hard during COVID. Like, I've had, you know, one of the guys that I'm talking to, like, bring me a bottle of wine, and you know, we were outside and he was 6 feet apart and I was like in my backyard and we had wine together. So, you know, there are ways to make it work, you know what I'm saying? But it's like, it is hard, it is different. So if you guys want to see a video or just have me do a video about dating during the COVID-19 crisis and how to date and how you're dating, then please go ahead and drop that in the comment section below. Just give me a thumbs up, like, girl, yes, we want to know, like, how are you doing it? What are your thoughts on it? Do you think it's a good idea? Because honestly, I didn't think it was a good idea, because I'm, you know, like I said, I have anxiety, so I'm not letting anybody come in my house. You're not coming around me, and I'm not gonna like jeopardize myself or my son. So dating was hard, but it's like you have these people that you were probably building a relationship with beforehand, and then COVID hit, and it's like, so do we stop talking? Do you really want to use this time to really get to know the person? You know, everything doesn't always have to be physical, clearly. Going in with blush. This is a oldie, definitely an oldie but goodie, because I've hit pan. This is from MAC. It's the Flutter Power. And I'm just getting, I haven't worn blush, y'all. Honey, I already stopped wearing blush like a while ago. If you guys look back at most of my videos, I was not doing blush. I was just doing contour and highlight, but I want my cheeks to look a little like something. Alright, but yeah, if you guys want me to do a video on dating during the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic, then let me know. Drop it down. Drop it down. So for lips, I am going to go in with Chestnut. It's like almost gone. And I had ordered some lipsticks from MAC like back in January, I want to say. And they've been sitting there, so I guess I'll do this. So I bought gel. Gel I used to always use on like my older clients, especially my older African American clients, but I never wore it myself. And I said one day, let me do my lips. So yeah, that is going to be the look. I'm going to use my, I don't know if this is empty, the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Cover the eyes because I just put mascara, so I should have probably did this first, but alright guys, so this is the completed look. This is my quarantine, about to go to Walmart setup situation. You know, I'm feeling cute, and it feels so good to feel cute. Like when I'm on my Zoom calls, I be having a cute little professional top on and my jogging pants or some leggings. So it actually feels good to kind of, you know, do something to myself. You know, going grocery shopping is basically the new normal. It's the new normal for kicking it, for seeing who outside, what you got on, what you doing. So I'm ready. I'm ready to hit Walmart and Target and Whole Foods up and Home Depot. So I actually have a couple places I really do need to get to, and I still need to try to make it to FedEx. So I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys like the hair. I did that. I did that. Okay, French braids and all. So anyway, I'm not gonna ramble. I'm about to get off this video, but please go ahead and hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to comment below if you want me to do a video on dating during the COVID-19 pandemic. Let me know. So that's all I got for today. I will see you guys in the next video.